The consulting team in Lifecycle Service had a huge knowledge gap between experienced consultants and the newcomers. A very experienced consultant knows that the most important is to ask the right questions in order to understand the root cause of customers' issues and find the right solution. They would commonly say, to ask the right question is already half the solution of a problem. When a new consultant was assigned to a project, it could be a whole challenge. A newcomer will often struggle to ask the right questions to the customer and therefore not able to approach a topic holistically. As a result, the project could be based on wrong assumptions and have some negative impact on delivery timelines and customer satisfaction. One of the new consultants came out with a great idea. He suggested to develop a consulting cookbook, which will comprise multiple questions to ask the customer on diverse topics. His manager really liked the proposal and encouraged him to set up a team to develop such a cookbook. This team was set up involving senior and junior consultants. After a few sessions, a first version of the book was released. This cookbook is now shared with all the new consultants so they can refer to it as a guidebook when they work on different topics. This story really highlights culture in Rockwell, where everyone strives to bring the best outcome by including different opinions and perspectives.